Right, good morning everyone. Welcome to the shed. I am Lonnie and we are going to do some work in here today. First thing I'm going to do is pull a few eBay orders. Not a lot of sales. I had a couple of pretty decent ones though, so that helped. First thing, I already pulled it. It's this, I haven't shown it on the channel yet. This is a bookkeeper sign. It's vintage. It looks pretty old to me. I found some similar signs. This is a door sign, by the way. I found some similar signs that were on Worth Point. Look at the backside. Certainly old. And you could tell where it's been through like a few paint jobs or whatever. But yeah, this thing, I found it on Worth Point, but they weren't exactly the same. They didn't have these cool designs here on the end. And it's not magnetic. I tried to attract it with a magnet, so it's brass. I think it's solid brass, I believe. Anyway, I listed this yesterday for 150 or best offer. Some similar signs were on Worth Point that sold for around $50. I put this one up at 150 or best offer and sold it last night. A guy offered me 80 bucks for it, and I countered with 100. And while I was sleeping, they accepted and paid. So that was a killer sale for me. I paid $15 for it. They initially had $58 on it. It was half price day. And then they said they were open to offers. So I offered 10 to the lady at the checkout at the estate sale. And she countered with 20, and then I offered 15. So, or no, I think actually she said 20, then I said 10, and then she said 15, and I took it. So yeah, really cool sign though. I can see why, I can see why they bought it. It's one of those things that just feels good, looks old, has character, good subject matter, you know, just all around just a cool sign. Really cool piece. It weighs 2 pounds. Pretty substantial. I love selling stuff like this. All right, another pretty good sale had yesterday. Ooh, it's way under there. I have to move these boxes. This is the kind, sorry for the camera work, y'all, but this is the kind of board game that I like to buy now. Like, I don't want to get out of board games altogether, but I have some that are horrible. These 3 games here, and probably that Clue, those are examples of bad board games. This is a good one though. I have about $5 into this game. Same sale where I bought the Wizard of Oz dolls. Also bought this Clue Twilight Zone Tower of Terror version in a metal, like a metal collectible box or whatever. It's all complete, really good shape. I got $29.99 plus shipping on top for this. And I can see why they bought it. It's really cool. I like it. All right, I just shipped one of these yesterday, and I'm shipping another one today, which is good. These things are moving. When I first listed them, they didn't move hardly at all, but I'm guessing that, like, oh, here we go. Here it is. I'm guessing that probably some Google activity, you know, Google indexing and whatnot probably made a difference, and just, I don't know, I'm not sure. But yeah, I got 20, what did I get for this? $24.99. Yeah, $24.99 plus shipping on top for that vintage Dr. Scholl's art support. All right, I just pulled this little Batman item. It's just a Tyvek wallet. I'm not going to pull it out of here. Super lightweight. It's actually a pretty cool wallet. I can see why they bought it, I guess. Really cheaply made though. Hopefully it'll last for them. $9.99 plus shipping on top for that. It'll just go in a little bubble mailer. All right, I just took an offer a few minutes ago on these cards right here. I actually have 31 of these still available. But anyway, I took an offer of $7.50 plus shipping on top for those. All right, just one more thing to pull. Another one of these Dorbs. see which one it is. Let's see, number 25, Batman. See any Batman yet? Do I have any? Okay, here we go. Batman in a blue suit. $7.99 free ship. All right, everything's packed up. This took about 30 minutes. That's it. I just got to print labels now. But yeah, obviously wallet, super easy. The Star Wars cards, I wrapped them in some spare cardboard I had, like a complete wrap, and I shoved it in here. In this poly. Dr. Scholl's just went in this little first class type box. This is the Funko Pop thing. I had a spare box where I had ordered something and it was really light, so I just resized that down for the Dorbs, put it in some bubble wrap, put it in there. The sign, look, this is a lot of cardboard. What I did with the sign, I wrapped the sign in bubble wrap, and then I did 2 wraps of Priority Mail shoe boxes. So this is like crazy thick cardboard here, and you can see how many layers there on the end, you can tell. And then I just taped it up. I wrapped it up real tight, taped it, and this one is indestructible. It's good to go. And then this is that Clue game, and this 12 by 12 by, it used to be 8. I resized it down to make it a little shorter. I didn't really do a very straight job here on this cut, but yeah, everything's ready to go. And like I said, this took like 30 minutes to pack, so I just need to do the labels now. Okay, so this is one of my big projects for today, is doing at least a reasonable amount of testing on this Tascam. While I was gone, my power supply came in. I ordered a third-party power supply. It was only like 10 bucks. So I've got $20 into the Tascam. I've got 10 bucks into the power supply. It powers up. The tape seems to move. I did buy these on the trip. I think I paid like $2 for this 6-pack of tape. So I'm going to pop this open so I can have a test tape. And I'm going to test the inputs that I can test. Like there's mic inputs and stuff like that, and then I have an output here going to these Bose speakers. I have this guitar jacked into the Tascam here, and listen, that's working. So I'm going to test what I can. I'm going to do a little record, playback, and then I'll sell it as tested. And so far it seems good, but we'll see. I'll come back and let y'all know what I think. All right, I had to goof off with it for just a little bit, but I have a tape in here. It's rewound all the way. I figured out the controls. It took me a little while. They have all these little switches and stuff, but I think I got it. And I still need to go find, I have a microphone around here somewhere I need to plug in and test that out too, but I'll show y'all this part anyway. I thought this is pretty cool. So you see I have on channels 1 and 2 there, the guitar is showing up. And no, I don't know how to play guitar. I was supposed to start learning and I never have yet. Hopefully one day soon I'll get back into it again, because I do have a guitar. But anyways, I'll just start recording. And then we'll play it back. Let's see, I better kill that. Wait, let me back it up. Here we go. Here's that song. Sounds good to me. So like I said, I'm going to test a microphone and yeah, it's gonna be good. Like, and I'll probably include a few tapes since I have them handy. This is pretty cool. I mean, this is a win for me. Big time win. Very happy. Okay, I honestly don't know exactly what I'm doing, but I have been able to plug in a microphone and record that. It's recording in like different tracks. I think it's a 4-track recorder, I think. But it's weird, like I've never even used one of these before, really. But you've got like 4 different tracks.
Tested
you can
1 2 tested 1 2.
And I mean, I don't know, I've done all I can and it seems to work. And most importantly, I think the most likely thing to go wrong would be the tape transport and stuff, and it seems rock solid. So I'm gonna get this sucker listed. All right, we're gonna keep this video fairly short today, but I did want to show y'all this is the next thing I'm listing. If y'all haven't seen these before, I see these from time to time. I think this is about the 5th one I found, and I've never paid more than $5. Usually it's $1, $2, $3, something like that. This particular one I paid $1 for. This is a rainbow rainmate. You put like water and some kind of smelly oils or something like that in it. Turn it on, a little fan blows, and I think it just like blows across the water to kind of help freshen the air, something like that. But yeah, this model, this one has some like hard water stains or whatever. This is a model AP2. If you do find one of these, there's several models. There's the IL-AP2, and that means that it has like LED lights in it. This is an older one, does not have LED lights, does not light up. So I just hit the switch like I expected it to turn on or something. But yeah, this is an easy $35 sale though. 35 plus shipping. So I've sold them. I think this is the 5th one I've had so far, and I've talked to some other people that have had them too, and they just like boom, they're gone as soon as you list them almost. So like I said, short video today. I will see y'all again tomorrow. Hope y'all enjoyed. Take care, guys. Bye bye.